In this video, we will talk about apps not opening in Windows 11. Method 1. Check for corrupt system files. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Terminal as admin. Click on Yes. Type the following command in here, one by one, and press Enter. I have mentioned the commands in the description. From there, you can copy-paste in here. Afterwards, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Method 2. Re-register Microsoft Store apps. Right-click on Start button. Select Terminal as admin. Click on Yes. Paste the following command and press Enter. Wait for the process to complete, then click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Method 3. Create a new user account. Sometimes a user profiles get corrupted, so creating a new user account would be a good option. Click on Windows icon, open Settings. On the left menu, select Accounts. Scroll it down, open Other Users. Click on Add Account. Here, you can create a new local account or Microsoft account. For now, let me create a local account. Click I don't have this person's sign-in information. Select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Type the username and password, then click Next, and you'll have your local account. Afterwards, check if apps work in new account. Method 4. Check for third-party conflicts. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Run, type msconfig, and select OK. Click on Boot tab. Check Safe Boot, then click on Apply and OK. Select Restart. If apps work in safe mode, a third-party app or service is likely causing the issue. So that's how you can fix apps not opening in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like and drop your feedback in the comments. See you in the next video.